Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today, we're going for a test drive in a 1968 C-10 pickup. This one here has a 350 under the hood. It's really clean. Look at them chrome fenders. It's pretty cool. Gonna be doing a walk around. AC's not hooked up on this one. Point out any kind of flaws after this video when I get back from the test drive. This one's got front disc brakes on it. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. I do a lot of videos pretty much throughout the week, every day. Definitely hit subscribe. If you're interested in old classic cars, that's something that we're always selling, so you can see all of our inventory on my website as well. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. We're gonna check out the interior before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Let me check everything out. Let's see how she starts up. Starts up nice and easy. Temperature's still low. Oil pressure's coming up. The gauge on the dash is not working, but the aftermarket one is. I think the battery gauge is actually hooked up from the factory gauges. Go ahead and see if the blower motor works for the heat. Works on the low setting. Should work for heat. We do have the face of the radio in the office. Wipers, they work. Horn. Make sure there's no other horn button in here. Got a couple switches. They said there's air ride. Used to be on this one. Not now. Dash pad looks pretty clean. You got your tint strip in the front. Headliner looks pretty good. Let's take this thing down the road. There's no seat belts in this one. That's something you will have to add. The engine temp is up now. Looks like it's right at 160. Make sure I'm in drive. The shifter's a little bit funky. It's not exactly lining up here. There's our reverse gear. There's our neutral. And there's drive. Speedo's coming up on the dash here. Steering's pretty tight on this truck. Gas gauge is floating around too. That's showing that it is working. Kickdown's hooked up. Suspension's not too bad. Let's try our brakes. Brakes are stopping good. Turn signals. Left one's popping up on the dash. I think the bulb's out on the right one. tight little truck. Everything's nice and tight. The throttle feels good. The brakes are nice. The steering feels good. And majority of the main gauges that we need are working. So actually all of them are working. Just got some extra ones for the ones that are not. We're gonna pull in this parking lot, do some drive-by shots, and definitely check out below in the description. You can see all of the gear that I use if you're interested in making videos like this. Goodness, I guess this guy got blown off the power line. Huh. Got y'all set up in the driver's seat here. We're gonna take off. Again, I'm gonna check, make sure I'm in the drive gear. So I think that's reverse. Yep. Neutral. And drive. Engine temp is pretty cool. It stayed below 200. It was at 190. We've been circling the parking lot, so if it was gonna get hot, it would have done it just then. Coming up on the road that's got the speed bump in it. Gonna hit it at a moderate speed. Listen for rattles, feel the suspension. The suspension in this one feels pretty good, so you probably won't notice it on the camera, but you can listen for rattles and shakes. Coming out right here. Not really hearing any rattles or anything either. So. Squeaky brake pedal. We're gonna go ahead and pull into the lot here and do a walk around on this truck. That way you know everything else about it. Be looking for that. It's about a 10-minute walk around. I appreciate y'all riding with me. Thanks again, guys. I do appreciate y'all taking the ride with me. If you don't mind, hit that share button. We post videos every single day. Try to get them out there, and y'all do the best job of it. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. We got wheels, tires, parts, and accessories available as well as all of our inventory online. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. If you noticed at the beginning of the video, I started shouting out my music page, which is Southgate Production. If you like it, please hit that subscribe. If you don't, that's okay. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.